Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper today and for this week. Before that we have an announcement that is this from January 2013. All these video presentations will be available for the clients of Alasco CTS alone. So we request all the followers to open a trading account with us so that you can continue and enjoy the trading activities. Now let us go back and see what's happening in copper. All the single candlestick represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. These vertical dotted lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. This black color candlestick that indicates the price opening on last week Monday, that is, you can see the date below 3rd. What we expected, this 442, unless until the price breaks 442, we expected the market will maintain its uptrend. So the Monday, the price made this 442 as a support and it was staying in line with the trend and it reached up to 447.7. Then the market consolidated here for a long time. It is struggling to break and put something above 446. On 6th, we had a drop. The market took 446 as a resistance, but you may notice that this 442 still remained a good support for copper market. You can see 3 times the price tried to hit this zone, but at last the price broke this 442, and then on 7th we changed our decision. But still it was supported with the average very clearly, but still we changed our decision. What we thought, we took 442 as a resistance till 446. Since the price is really struggling to put something above 446, we expected that the price can come down. But what happened on 7th is that the price took exactly opened around 441 and took the support with the average and cleared this 442. There was a lot of struggle. You can see every candlestick represents 1 hour. There was a lot of struggle in the maintaining 442. But at last the price was quite successful in clearing this and the price closed around 443.4. But what happened yesterday? The price opened above the previous, that is on Fridays and Saturdays price opening, and it cleared 446. That is called a breakout, which means the clearing this top of all the resistance, and the price comfortably stayed above 446. That pulled the price till 450.5 and the price closed around 449.65. Now we should decide how we can proceed with this trading in copper. Before looking into that, let us see how far this price is climbing up. We know this after taking 426 as a very bottom support, and after a huge consolidation on this week, you can see the price consolidated here, and on 19 the price picked the momentum. So after clearing 426, the price went up, and this is, you are seeing the price actions. And the bottom support we had is 422. So right from 420s the price is moving up and up and up, and at last we had got this 449. So it is almost a 30-point gain in copper market. So without a consolidation in the sense there are weekly consolidation like what happened on the previous week. The price struggled to show a price action, but almost it stayed in line with the trend without breaking the average. That is the second part we should note, which means that the trend was very strong to give a 30-point profit in copper. But again, what we doubt is that at this point, if we go for a buying, then it is again we are going to risk on the, though the trend was very strong, what we suspect is that unless until you have sufficient fund to bet on trend, you should wait for that, because this 452 to 462, these are going to be the greatest resistance for copper market. So the market will find a strong resistance around 452 and 462. Now we should decide if we go for buying now, the market is almost has reached 30 points. So in order to get a 10-point gain, for example, if you are buying around 450 or 448, you should expect something around 456 or 462 to get a good profit. But we are expecting a very strong resistance here. So what we expect is that there are two things you can do. One is for buyers and two is for sellers. It depends upon the traders to take this decision. If you want to buy, wait for the market to take a call around 446, and you can go for buying till 442, because it is good for buying till 442. Just you can see the price of the average is converging around 442, and it has already formed a platform to show that this is going to be a very key zone. This is for the buyers, but be careful to book your profit now and then, because we had informed you it is almost a 30-point gain in copper market. So you can buy till 442 if you want to buy. That is the case for buyers. But for sellers, you have also got an option, an opportunity. So be prepared if you are taking a sell call. So be prepared, because you should have sufficient funds to hold your positions till 462. So if you are ready for selling, take a sell call around 452, 456 and 462, so that you can easily expect 442, and if the price breaks this 442, you can pick the trend earlier. So these are the two options available for the traders. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. So, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.